down here.
So we're going it?
Oh, this is the village.
Right,
So
I
what's
thought you
this?
were going to park there. The car park. Thought somebody was waiting to charge us.
River that comes tumbling over Aber Falls.
Yes.
And down the valley. Well, this is where we are. So we follow the valley up through the village.
Yes.
And then the falls, I think, are somewhere there. And then you can either come back down this way into the village, or we can just come back down it. See how it goes.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah. When you look at that little notice board, if you look again on the way back, it says something about Abergwyngregyn, which is it's called, means the village of the little white seashells or something like that.
Wonder where it got that name.
The general name given is Aber Falls, but I think there's actually the sign at the bottom, so I can't remember what it said. It was like Reheard. It's not Reheard because that's somewhere mid Wales, but it was sort of Reheard or something Falls, so that's the Welsh name, but I think it's just gradually been known as Aber Falls.
Aber Falls, because
that's the name of the Abergwyngregyn.
Because that's not the name of the village.
Abergwyngregyn is the name of the village.
Yeah, I can't even say it.
Yeah, Aber just means river in Welsh.
Oh, right.
Or river mouth.
You're saying there's a distinction between the two names. Aber means...
Aber, it means a river mouth.
Yes.
So you get places like Aber and Abergwyngregyn, where villages by the sea where the river comes out.
Oh, that's interesting.
And the river name is Avon, which we still use as names of rivers in England in places. The River Avon, which just means Avon in Welsh.
Well, that's interesting.
River.
I didn't know it. Yes.
It was before I became ill. I'd say we'd done a climbing weekend in Wales and finished the weekend a short walk over here, but then we climbed up and beyond the top of the falls.
It's the beginning of the falls.
We're still on the road yet. Later on we'll get to a car.
See where we are? Just at the... Oh, right, and then we're going up to the top. And then back down the other side. Short little walk.
Reheard.
What's that?
The middle word. That's the name, the proper name for the falls in Welsh.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you going through?
We're going through now, yeah. The reserve is famous for its waterfall.
Yes.
True name is Reheard Fawr. So we're looking out for Iron Age hut circles and Bronze Age graves, along with medieval remains. Are you enjoying this?
I am actually.
Look how clear the water is. There, you can see right through the bottom.
Wait a minute, yes, I think I can see it. What have you seen?
Bridge to cross here.
Pardon?
Bridge to cross here.
Oh, is that what you wanted to tell me? Thought it was something major.
very similar to the one in Settle, that one.
Is it? At least it's not raining now.
No. Now 2 different gloves on.
I know. I've now cottoned on if I wear mitts, my fingers are free to operate the controls.
Yeah.
And they don't get as cold as they
That's when
usually do.
yes, I know that.
But the other hand,
taking your gloves off to take photos.
I know, and the other hand has
freezing,
got so just in case people pick up,
Yeah.
I have 2 pairs of gloves on, or rather 2 different gloves on. Right. One hand.
Yeah, one in one each.
It's all in Welsh.
No, right hand side.
Oh yes, that part's in English and the other bit's in Welsh. It's one thing to be cold, but another thing is to be doing it in the rain.
Yeah.
I think I
It's
better
not
put the
really
camera.
rain, it's just a dampness.
I can see it. It's very heavy.
Dampness. I mean, it's not even. I'm having to clean my glasses every now and again. But meteorological office will have these all over
Yes.
the country. So these, annual patterns of how much rainfall there's been, or how much sun there's been. Every year it said, it comes on and says it's been the wettest January for 10 years. That's all. It's all recorded in places like
Is
this
it
all over
really?
the country.
Right.
On the bottom of that valley up there, that's the top of the falls. You just beginning to see
Oh, is it
Aber
just
Falls.
like a rivet? Is it?
Yeah.
Or
It's just a white streak,
stream
but
or something,
that's
isn't
just the
it?
top end of the waterfall.
right? Let's
So we'll
head
get
up.
closer and see more of it.
Hopefully the weather will clear up.
We'll be climbing up to those people's
Oh.
a steep climb up there. So.
I thought you said there was no climbing.
Well, as I say, on this but if you do that one, it is a bit onto the bare hills a bit. Yeah.
Gosh, fancy seeing that in the middle of nowhere.
There's prehistoric, I think there's definitely Bronze Age, I think there might be Neolithic remains here, Bronze
Yes.
Age, definitely Iron Age hut circles, and in medieval times this area was a stronghold of one of the princes of Gwynedd, or the
Right.
Might be a little shelter down there.
I think I'm ready for a bite to eat,
Yeah.
to be quite honest. Well, this is, did you say that was 2
Like I
waterfalls?
say, there are some more around coming out that way. Not all steep like that, more cataracts, but series of cascades. But
Yes.
it'd be impressive. The one this here, which is much more because one continuous fall.
Right. This is Aber Falls.
This is what's known as Aber Falls.
But I don't think the camera actually shows how lovely it is.
It looks like this is a waterfall, but this is only a fraction of it because it's all high. I'm going to have my area.
Yes, I think we're ready for it, aren't we?
It's the highest fall in Britain, or highest fall in
That
Wales.
looks tremendous.
I'm not sure exactly.
Yeah, oh, look. How high up is it?
I don't know exactly. To be honest, I didn't look it up when I got home.
Oh, but
I think this bottom bit is only about a quarter of it.
like,
Maybe a third, I don't know, but
Looks
it goes back
massive.
up to the top of the... And we're only through the bottom part of the cliff here. The river and the falls are Abergwyngregyn. God, I can read it. No, I'm not reading. Yeah, Abergwyngregyn. It's coming down there.
yeah, we're at the top, aren't we?
And it's just a trickle in the hills, you see there. All it got, and it's not long. Abergwyngregyn, it goes into the sea, so it's only a very short river.
Right.
Making a round trip and going on to the hillside. But it's a bit bleak there. It's not really very scenic compared with what we've done. And the mist keeps swirling in, so it could be have nothing to. So I think it's better keeping down low and just going back the way we came.
I'm not going up on the whole.
If it was in summer or something like that, maybe. But I think the views from this side are probably better. You may see it from the other side.
Right, so we're not doing the whole circular walk.
No,
Just do it linear.
No, so there might be more to do with prehistoric remains if you look out for them. See those people, the path follows that wall along.
Oh, is it
about
up
half
there?
A mile to the other side, and then it goes along that side of that valley over there. You can see the mist coming in again. So what is it to see when you get to? At least this valley is pleasant within the valley.
Yes, but
you're just on a bare hillside. If it was a nice day, lovely day and clear, then it'd be worth doing. But
yes, I can feel the rain coming again.
I thought when coming up it was just pointing to a footpath another way. Yeah. But the exhibition, which you hardly see, carved into the side there. Yeah?
Shall we have a look? Yeah. Have a look inside. An exhibition. But of what? Oh, this looks interesting. Yeah. What is it?
This is a 3D model. That's the A55. That's the Abergwyngregyn where we started. We followed the valley all the way up to the falls there.
Yes.
And if we had come back, we'd have come back along the bottom there, that white line, just below everything, and then join this high level route up here, and would come back round here. And then back down into...
Oh, is it the same route back? I thought it was
No, we're going that route back down the valley.
Right. Oh, yes, it is a different route, isn't it?
And then you're up in the Glyderau Sea.
Isn't it handy to have a little exhibition on the way up?
Yeah.
Clogs. Is that what they used to make?
I think it was a bit of interest there, actually.
It is, it's certainly a distraction.
Above the waterfall it starts as Avoding, meaning Red River, then Abergwyngregyn, big waterfall, and then down the river mouth is Aber. And Abergwyngregyn means, the village's name means the estuary of white shells.